Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. And once you find it, we can begin by actually holding it. So, screen capture, let's go into cancel for now. Didn't really want to cancel it like that, but okay, let's try that again. Guess let's start now. So right now it's recording. Once you actually started, the countdown reaches 0. And yeah, so that is how you record, and everything you will do is basically being now recorded. Now once you're done with it, now you want to stop it, which, there we go, we just kind of tap on it, I guess, and that should stop it. And I believe that annoying sound was for a notification that recording was saved. And yep, there we go. And to find that recording, apart from the notification that you got, you can also find it in your photo gallery. So let's just find that one. There we go, photos, and there it is. Now I'm going to mute it right now, just so I don't hear anything. And there we go, that's basically the recording. Now I'm gonna also look at one more thing. If I tap on it, it starts recording, but there we go. We can also quickly tap on the settings. So from here we have a couple different things we can change. So we have the size. Kind of funny that they use the ruler for this. But yeah, once you tap on it, you have a couple different resolutions. Now the 1080p will be the best one. Also will take the most amount of space on your phone, but you can drop it to, for instance, 720p, or use something completely garbage like the ones below that, which I would not recommend actually. Then below that we have the bitrate. So right now it's set to 7, but again we can increase it, set it at 8, probably would be better. Now if you're not sure what bitrate is, when you're recording, for instance, some kind of gameplay, and you're moving around in that game, just moving the camera around, whenever the camera will be moving, the quality of the image while it's moving will be degraded the lower the bitrate is, so it will look worse. The moment you stop moving, it will need like a couple seconds and it will adjust to actually how it's supposed to look like, so basically full quality. So the higher that is, basically the better the image will look like while you're moving in that aspect. Now increasing the bitrate will also increase the amount of space recording will take, so just keep that in mind if you're planning to record long videos. Then below that we have duration, so you can set it to be specific like duration from 1 minute all the way up to 20, or no limit, which is set by default. And then also you can record audio through a microphone, so if you want to record yourself you can. And yeah, that will basically finish up the settings that you can find in here. For some reason we cannot leave it without actually pressing complete. There we go. So that is how you change the settings and also record footage on this video, or on this screen I mean. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.